Sliding door with frame. Sliding door opens towards left and right. High strength capacity door rail on top. Vision rate 98%. With frame at both door side. Doors goes inside the frame on open status. Frame is able to install screen. Firefighting linkage. Panoramic sunroof. Cable management. Lighting system. Decorative wall. It can be equipped with an environmental monitoring system. It collects and controls information such as cold out temperature, humidity, skylight system, etc.